So if you are someone who forgets your wallet or leaves it somewhere, this could be a pretty cool option for you. Hey, what's up? John Sherratt here, and today I am looking at a brand new wallet by Lorzor. I mean, they reached out to me about kind of looking at one of their wallets. I've actually been in the market for a new wallet. And you ask, okay, well, this isn't super tech related. Well, wait and see. Now, what makes this wallet special is, bam, you can put an Apple AirTag. Oh gosh, there we go. Apple AirTag in there, and it'll track the location of your wallet. So if you are someone who forgets your wallet or leaves it somewhere, this could be a pretty cool option for you. I have been using a Roots, if you're in Canada, what go Roots? A Roots wallet here for a few years. It's got a nice little money clip on it that I like. It's more of just, I mean, you get cards in the front, slide it in. I don't know if you can say it's a full wallet. It doesn't even open. So I'm curious as I switch to this Lorzor to see what my experience is. What's special about this other than the AirTag? It does have one of these fancy whoop, flips up and it shoots out your cards that you use most often, which is super convenient. What else? So it opens up, like I say, it is a full wallet that opens right up. You can get your dollar bills in this kind of like a 2/3 flap here, which is neat. And then you have a nice little spot for ID, see-through spot. Key cards here. I'm curious, I mean, it says it can do up to 15 cards, so I'm definitely using 10 cards in my current wallet. Leave this with me. I'm gonna try this and use it for a week. I'm gonna skip forward and I'll give you the full review of what I thought, tips, tricks, what worked, what didn't work. And I'm back. So I used this wallet all week, and there are some things I liked and some things I didn't like. But before we get into that, Lorzor is having an environmental protection festival on today, April 15th, Earth Day. If you follow Lorzor on their Instagram, they're having a lottery of a bunch of different prizes. I'll leave a description down below with details. Lastly, if you do want to buy a wallet off their website, you can use my code JOHN, J-O-H-N, for 20% off site-wide. Any purchases you do make do support the channel, so thank you. Okay, what did I like? I mean, the quality of the leather, the feel of it is outstanding. I mean, it feels really good to touch and use. Next, the magnet clips feels really, really good. It has a great sound to it. And then if you're an Apple user and you possibly lose your wallet, you can slap an AirTag in here. It adds a whole nother level of wallet tracking that is cool that I've never seen in a wallet before. The easy to access wallet flip out pop gadget, it's called the Trigger wallet, is super easy to use and really convenient. Lastly, I love the fact that this Trigger wallet mechanism is RFID protected, something I didn't have in my last wallet. All right, so what I didn't like. I am moving from a pretty, thin wallet. So the fact that this one here is twice pretty much as thick was a little bit to get used to. And the fact that even though it was twice as thick, it still held about the same amount of cards. And that's because this Trigger wallet mechanism and the actual Apple AirTag add a lot of thickness. But as far as cards, it's about, I got 10 cards in there comfortably. And the last thing is that I keep my wallet in my front pocket. So I'm not kind of sitting on it. And I'm told, it's better for the thieves stealing it out of your front pocket. But I did run into an issue with putting it in and out of my pocket. The AirTag clip piece here would sometimes get caught on the edge of my pocket. So it's just something to consider. I mean, I was telling my wallet and she's like, well, why don't you just flip it around? And she's right. I mean, you literally put it in the other way and it doesn't happen. But I did notice once or twice trying to slide it in my wallet quick, it got caught. To conclude, it's a great mid-sized wallet. Sure, it's thicker than my last one, but it also includes RFID protection and the ability to track my wallet's location. If you're used to a big George Costanza wallet,
look at this thing. huge.
This could be a nice smaller footprint with similar thickness that you may be used to. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Lorzor does have other options, a minimalist line of wallets and money clips that are definitely more thin in line to what I'm used to. So check out their website. Don't forget to go follow them on Instagram and use my 20% off code if you are interested in a new wallet. Hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned for the next one.